Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. This video is actually going to be the month of end for January. So I'm just going to go over how much money we save for the month of January for my sinking funds. So we'll get right into the video. Alrighty, so the first one is going to be car. Just going to move this out of the way. So how have you guys been? Alrighty. Unfortunately, I don't recall how much money I had at the beginning of the month for January, so we're just gonna do the end, and then I'm gonna be doing these type of videos at the end of each month. So for a car, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So we have $60. The difference is, I'm not really sure the difference, so I'm just gonna leave this one blank. The next one is going to be loan. Let's take a look and see how much money we save for loan. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. $90 for loan. Next one is going to be medical. For medical, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, the same. I think after this, the next paycheck that I have, I might have to change a couple of these bills. For Christmas, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. For Christmas, like I said, I'm doing that Christmas savings challenge where I am trying to save, I think it's like $1,000 and a couple $100. Oh, this one is my phone bill and then car insurance, so we're not going to worry about that. Alright, we're going to move on to the next binder. Let me just update this one. It was $90 for Christmas. Alrighty, Apollo and Pixie. This is probably going to be a short video, but I'm still going to film it. For Apollo and Pixie, I recently had Pixie get her nails trimmed. So I did take about $16, so the number is going to be a little bit different from the last video. So for Pixie and Apollo, we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. $54. Alright. Next one is going to be Steven. For Steven, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. $126. And I'm probably going to use some of this money for his Valentine's Day gift. What are you guys thinking of doing for your significant other? So it's $126 for Steven. For parents, I believe it's only $100. Yeah, so it's just $100 for parents. For gifts, we have, so for gifts, I ended up buying my niece and my nephew's stuffed animals for their first Valentine's Day. So I took about $40 out of the envelope. So let's see how much money we have now. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have $45 in gifts. I have to save a little bit more money for gifts because I do have 2 birthdays for the month of March. So what did I say? I think I said 45. Pretty sure I said 45. Alrighty. Vacations now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130. 130. $130 for a vacation. For the wedding, we have 20, 40, 60, so just $60 for a wedding. This is another one that I have to stuff. Alrighty, we're gonna go to my next binder, which is going to be my savings binder for emergency. I think we're close to 1,000. Once we hit 1,000, I think I'm gonna take this money to the bank and then just put a 1K slip. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we have 800 for the month of January. Alrighty, and then the 20-week challenge. Let's see how much money we have. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we only have $100 for the 20-week challenge. I think for this 20-week challenge, at the end of the year, I might use this for my loans, my student loans. Alrighty, so it was a nice little short video, but I just wanted to do these month event sinking fund updates just so I can take a look and see how much money I'm saving and what the difference is. But yeah, thank you for continuing to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.